Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two amazing cameras from Canon, the Canon EOS R50 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. We'll be evaluating these cameras in various categories to help you decide which one is right for you. So let's get started. Both the Canon EOS R50 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit feature a compact and lightweight design, making them easy to carry around for all your photography or videography adventures. You won't have to worry about lugging around heavy equipment with these cameras. However, the Content Creator Kit does include additional accessories such as a microphone and tripod, which may be beneficial for content creators on the go. When it comes to image and video quality, both cameras perform exceptionally well. They share the same 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and DIGIC X processor, ensuring stunning and detailed shots every time. You can capture 4K uncropped movies with dual-pixel CMOS AFE at up to 30 FPS, as well as full HD high frame rate movies at up to 120 FPS. Whether you're a professional or a beginner, these cameras will deliver outstanding results. When it comes to autofocus and tracking capabilities, both cameras excel. The dual-pixel CMOS AFE technology covers up to 100% by 100% area with 651 AF zones, ensuring fast and accurate subject detection and tracking. Whether you're capturing photos or videos of people, animals, or vehicles, these cameras make it a breeze. Thanks to deep learning technology, the autofocus performance is top-notch. If you're looking for cameras that can handle continuous shooting, both the Canon EOS R50 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit won't disappoint. With electronic first curtain, you can shoot at 12 FPS, and with electronic shutter, you can go up to an impressive 15 FPS. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action or want to ensure you don't miss a single moment, these cameras have got you covered. Both cameras come with advanced A+ Assist, which provides an expanded array of auto-compatible scenes, allowing for more creative expression even in auto mode. Additionally, they both have a built-in flash for shooting in low light or backlit situations. However, it's worth noting that the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit includes extra accessories like a microphone and tripod, providing added value for content creators. As for the price, the Canon EOS R50 is available for $679, while the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit is priced at $999. And that wraps up our comparison of these two Canon cameras. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a content creator, both the Canon EOS R50 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit have a lot to offer. It ultimately comes down to your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.